How can you say good morning in Tagalog?
Oh.
What? How?
Maganda. Oh, magabo!
Why you face like that? Para akong baliw.
Huh?
Oh, say it again. Say it properly.
Maganda. Umagapo.
Ay, iwag sa iyo.
Huh?
Puro kapukpukan.
Why you do that?
Natin na. Okay na. Sige na, bye-bye na.
No, bye-bye. And then, tell them, this is the really big day.
Okay. This is a really big day kasi
Yes.
magkikwit na siya sa pagsisigarettes. Yay!
Yay!
Starting last night, hindi na siya nag-cigarettes, guys. Kasi sasali siya sa competition. Yeah. Good for you, ah.
And then we can get how many money?
If he win,
No, if we
because I'm also with
join
him.
the
Yeah.
you need to post the
Yeah.
thing.
If he win, we will get 80,000 NTD. Yay! So many
Come to Taiwan, earn money, earn money,
Baliw. Okay na, bye-bye na.
Bye bye.